Now let's talk about how to ask permission formally and informally in Japanese. For the first situation, Yamamoto-san is asking her boss Ishikawa-san for permission to move the meeting to another day. Let's listen to their conversation.
石川さん、ちょっとお願いがあるんですけど。
はい、何でしょ
実は来週の会議のことなんですけど。
ええ、
その日に病院に行かなくてはならなくなってしまって。
同じ時間にですか？
ええ。すみませんが、その次の日に行わせていただけないでしょうか。
まあ、そういうことなら仕方ありませんね。
When you have something to ask your superior, you begin the conversation with expressions such as ちょっとお願いがあるんですけど I have a bit of a favor to ask or 今ちょっとよろしいでしょうか Would it be a good time to talk now? You also introduce the topic of the conversation by saying 実は何々のことなんですけど Actually, it's about something. Or 実は何々たいんですけど Actually, I would like to something. Lastly, you ask permission by using the causative verb ていただけないでしょうかていただけませんか or ていただきたいんですが Would you allow me to? For the second situation, Jenny is asking a favor from her boyfriend Yuri. Unlike the first conversation, this one is informal because it's between people of the same level, such as friends, colleagues, or someone who is close to you. Let's listen to their conversation.
ゆうりくん、私、今日も休もうと思って。
どうしたの？
ちょっと頭が痛くて。
大丈夫？
悪いけど、一つお願いしていい？
何？
今日のデート行けないから、食べ物を持ってきてくれない？
いいよ。
In informal conversation, requesting permission can be said by using expressions such as 悪いけど、一つお願いしてもいい? It's rude, but can I ask one favor? Or ちょっと頼みたいことがあるんだけど I have something I want to ask. In the previous conversation, Jenny asked Yuri if he could do her a favor by using the phrase 悪いけど、一つお願いしていい? Then, if the person agrees, you can ask him or her to do something for you by using てくれない? or てもらえない? Which means, can you do something for me? Like in the conversation, Jenny asked Yuri to bring her food since she couldn't go to their date by saying 食べ物を持ってきてくれない? まとめましょう. Let's recap. When asking for permission formally, we say ちょっとお願いがあるんですけど and causative verb て form plus いただけないでしょうか. When asking permission informally, we say the verb て form plus もういい and the verb て form plus くれないもらえない and that's how you ask permission in Japanese.